Today, I'm making a little bedside table lamp. I've had this scrap 2x6 lying around from a previous project, so I'll be using that for stock material. I trimmed small pieces off the edge using the rip guide and my circular saw. It takes some focus to get a straight cut, and a table saw would make this much easier. I cut the pieces down to size using a speed square as a guide. I glued together two sides and the top individually, then assembled the full lamp. This hole is for the lamp cord. The top didn't come out as square with the sides as I'd hoped, so I trimmed them flush with a chisel. This worked really well, and I'll definitely use this trick again. I wanted a darker look from the pine, so I burnt it lightly with a propane torch and sealed it with a coat of polyurethane. I've gotten used to refinishing tables, and I mixed way too much poly for this little lamp. I drilled a hole in the bottom of the lamp to screw the light bulb socket into. It's sized so the screw can go through with just the threads biting into the wood to avoid splitting. For the paper on the sides, I soaked some normal printer paper in black tea for 5 or 10 minutes. Then let it air dry in baking sheets. I glued the paper screens in with wood glue because paper is made out of wood, and that's the only glue I have. The first sheet or two weren't bad, but the third, fourth, and fifth were a lot harder to get glued in. The lamp cord passes through the hole in the side and screws down to the socket. Since the terminals will be live and exposed on the bottom of the lamp, I covered them up with some electrical tape. The socket screws on easily, and there's room to change the bulb without any tools. I appreciate anyone who made it this far in the video. If you like what you see, please consider leaving a like or comment down below, and subscribe for more content like this. That's all. Have a good day.